Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: an active AWS account and an IAM user with the right permissions. Next, install and configure the AWS CLI so you can run commands. This saves time versus the console. Prepare your artifact now, build your app, create a Docker file if containerizing, or generate a static bundle. Once done, test locally. Make sure the app runs so deployment errors are about AWS, not your code. You now pick a service that matches your artifact: Elastic Beanstalk for quick app deployments, ECS for containers, or S3 with CloudFront for static sites. Once chosen, create the app and environment via CLI or console, upload your artifact, or push the Docker image to ECR. Configure a load balancer and auto-scaling to handle traffic, and add environment variables and secrets with Parameter Store or Secrets Manager. Make incremental deploys so you can roll back easily if needed. You finish by validating the deployment. Check health checks, view CloudWatch logs, and hit the endpoint. Then configure Route 53 for DNS and request an SSL certificate with ACM to enable HTTPS. If the app needs a database change, snapshot the DB before migrations and keep a previous app version for rollback. If something fails, inspect CloudWatch logs and the service events for configuration errors. Often it's an NVAR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.